What is going on? Good morning. I mean, this freaking camera, guys. Come on. What is this? What is this nonsense? Is that better? Yeah. That's better. Hopefully this camera doesn't fall. But anyways, good morning. Welcome. It is 10:34. I had to do some business stuff this morning. But we're here, we're doing the thing. We obviously saw something happen with price, but let's dive into it, shall we? Boom. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's get to it. Let's get to it. You know what we do. You know how we do here. You know how we do here. Oh, all right. Okay, I will say this yellow and white contrast isn't that great. But let's just read it. Enter his gates with thanksgiving and his courts with praise. Give thanks to him and praise his name. For the Lord is good and his love endures forever. His faithfulness continues through all generations. Psalms 104 and 5. Father, thank you for this morning. Thank you for this opportunity that we get to start a brand new week. I pray that we give you all the glory and all the praise, Father. God, I thank you for everyone that's watching and those that may not know you, Father. I pray that you begin to work in them, Lord, and I pray for clarity, for peace, Lord, in Jesus' name, amen. All right, let's dive into it this morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get it. Good morning. Yeah, I spelled that right. I spelled it. I spelled it right. I spelled it right. Let's dive into. Let's see. We don't need Benzinga. We need Forex Factory. Nothing today that I'd be. Oh, Canada has a bank holiday today. That sucks. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be looking for anything today, really. But what does the rest of the week look like this week? Apply settings. Uh, nope. Nothing tomorrow, really. Nope. Dude, what is going on in US? Okay, unemployment claims. Dude, this sucks. Maybe tomorrow, Tuesday, we'll see something here. And then Friday, this week's gonna be trash. Unless, oh, okay. So this week we are in a distribution week. But so here's the thing: what if on Wednesday, although we have nothing, we have some crazy news happening on Wednesday? Or all this week is literally open for wild news to happen around the world. That would, I mean, obviously that would set us up at any time. But if we have no real big news, if you will, unemployment claims are on Thursday. Nothing on Wednesday. You see that, which is kind of odd, right? It's odd that we are in a distribution week, distribution day, the 21st, and there's nothing. So that just tells me, hey, they're just keep an eye out for some crazy news that happens on Wednesday. All right, that's that. Guys, let's freaking go. I'm proud of this one. So I built this indicator. and it is a quarterly theory indicator. If you look at it, and let's do. You won't see it here on the day, but let me get rid of all of it. You won't see it here. And I'm still working on it. I've got to fix a couple things you can see right now, but I'm super proud of it. Okay, so what do we have here? We know we're trading into. We're trading. We're above OTE. We're above OTE of this range, so we are inside of a. We're above a three week. I think. Not yet. We got 11 days to go. Here's our 3 week gap. Then we have a monthly. Oh, that is a monthly. Ooh, this is interesting. It's a monthly low right there. We obviously we have our high right here, right? All-time high, or sorry, previous high, and then all-time high. So beautiful there. Keeping knowing that that's there, we have to understand like, hey, we could come up here and take and continue higher, right? Come up here, break structure to the upside, which would be right here, CISD. This is our high time. This is our monthly. We have 11 days to close this. So yeah, we can come take it out and then close below. But it's there. That's the one. That's the one right here, right? This was also our weekly CISD to the downside. So our monthly serving as both a weekly and a monthly CISD. Only ashes on the feet. There's our fair value gap. Okay. We also have a daily here. How about daily? Is this previous month one? No. February low. Okay, so I just want to see how these react. Because that's where price is right now. And that's all I'm going to draw. Hi, good. Hi. Okay. We have a 3-day. You know what? I'll probably draw this instead. So we can get rid of this daily. Maybe we don't get fully rid of it. Maybe we just back it up. And then we have our daily up here. So let's just all-time highs. And then just high. Okay, now we have something to work with. Now we can work with this. So we can think about this like, all right, cool. Now that we know where we're at in price, now we can figure out, okay, what do we want to do? What you need, baby girl? Oh, for the thing? Yeah, that thing nasty. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Okay. Whoopsies. You happen so oh, I need to guys, I need to open a hold on. Hold on. You have been so good to me. But I can't believe how you love me. um ooh. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm just getting sick. So it's got like I got boogies in me, so I gotta do these nasty things, right? So my bad. My bad. When is salvation? Like this could just go up from here. Don't just try to short this thing. We're just gonna wait. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Where's my? Yeah. So good to me. God, I can't believe. Hi, goodies. Yeah? Huh? I love you too. Ooh, ooh, for everyone. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, let's get it. Oh, I mean, when I say let's get it, honestly, like I said, I'm not looking for anything right now. I'm not looking. Oh, wow, goodness, you're so fast. Wow, amazing. Amazing. Okay. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Dude, what happened here? Okay, there we go. While we do this, I'm just gonna keep trying to figure out so I'm just trying to figure out this code again. But anyways, we see this, right? Let me pull up. I guess we can do this. Yeah, this looks good. Guys, where is our drawings? Seriously, what just happened? What happened? Oh, dang it, man. Okay, so I guess yeah. All right, we'll just keep working with this for now. I do want to see how we react here. Um, oh, guys, look at this. Look at this. Beautiful SMT. All right. So we have SMT there. Let's see. So now we know we have SMT there. Yeah, there's SMT there, and this is going to be a daily sequential SMT for now. So we can start dropping down to see what we have. We have a sweep on liquidity here. All right, we have a sweep here. So let's get rid of this for now. So we have our sweep, then we have our trigger, right? Trigger confirmation, which would be right here. This is going to be market structure down here. What do I want to see? Some sort of manipulation to the upside. I would like for these intermediate highs to get taken first. Again, then give us a second displacement down, right? After this one, I'd like to see either displacement down if we create a CISD, a recent CISD, and then coming back up, or if we want to see, you know, maybe just a retracement with no closure below, continue higher, we can see that too. and invalidate this. But we'll keep waiting for now. While we do that, I'm gonna just, yeah, let's just monitor price for now. Ba-bam. Oh, you see it right here? Like barely, but you see that big O square? That's just your weeks. So you can see, I mean, that might be very hard to see. But if we do something like this, maybe more. Okay, that's too much. Right here. 96 is a sweet spot. Boom, there's our weeks. And now you can see the high of the week, the low of the week. And this is just part of the quarterly theory indicator that I made. Boom, 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 ba-da-da-da-da-da. There's still some things I need to figure out and do, but that about it. Oh, equal lows. They're 37625. Not quite. Not quite equal, but relative equal lows. Let's get rid of the nanocycles and microcycles. Boom. Now it's even cleaner. Now we just have our session, 90-minute session, daily, and then our week. So super clean. And I think that's what I wanted to do, right? Just create something that was super clean, but also really, really effective. Right now, I'm trying to figure out the opening price of this. Oh, you know what we haven't looked at? Equities. Equites. Oh yeah, this is my break-even trade. Yo, wife, you're hot. Um, okay. What do we want to say? It's 11. I mean, we're just hanging here. We could continue higher from here, guys. Into what? Just this high right here. Right? So if you want to take this, you can, but it's like what are you basing this off of? Honestly, I've also been looking at some sort of what do you call it? like obvious levels too to trade from. So like looking at the 30-minute, right? And you're like, oh man, this is obvious. Let's get rid of, we don't need, yeah, let's get rid of this line too. Yeah, so looking at levels, right? We can be like, oh, well, this is a level here. Okay. And be like, oh, well, this is another level here. Be like, okay. And then it's like, oh, well, this is another level here. Okay. And then you see what I'm saying? So like using stuff like this too can help. And as kind of zone to zone. And then right here, since we have really nothing, we can just kind of base it off of this. Where it's like, all right, we see, I would say this right here. And then this right here. I guess down here, right? Yeah, like right here. So yeah, looking at price something like this is helpful sometimes. I will be taking basically just small hits on just to kind of see what price is doing, because last week was kind of wild. What you need, man? A pincher. Pliers? Yeah, they should be in there. There's some blue ones, I think. Yeah. Hey, just put it back, please. That's a pincher, and you're. Well, yes. Look, you gotta. No, those are pliers. We're gonna copy trade these accounts. Here, I'll show you guys. I'm trading with the futures desk. It is honestly, I really enjoyed it. It doesn't. It helps me not get into that like gambling mentality. We're gonna set none of this because our goal is not to hit that, and if we do, that's fine. But the goal is to just trade and execute right. I think that's what I want to look at, right? So yes, risk management, of course, but ultimately execution in the right locations is gonna be what I'm gonna be looking at and looking for. You have these relative equal highs here, right? Just like we have it on NQ. So we could come and take these out before going lower. Or just come up here, boom, and then continue higher. But we do have a sequential SMT on the daily. Okay, so keep that in mind. And this is it on the daily with, oh, it is, no, it's not. Okay, no, it's not. It's just with YM. So YM daily sequential SMT with a previous SMT inside of Friday. Oh, Thursday, Friday. So this was a sequential. So this was a sequential SMT that took us lower just now. Then we get SMT at these lows. to go higher. I like this. Yeah. Yeah, I'd be willing to. This would be just a play higher at this point. Forevermore. I was trying to build something with SMT using the same sort of cycle stuff, but man, is it difficult. It says bullish here. Let's see if this is right. See, this isn't even right. Oh, I guess it is. But it doesn't mark it all the way down here. This is a bullet. This is a okay. So we have yeah. Okay. So yeah, we just wait, guys. There's really nothing here for me. We're just consolidating at this point. From yesterday, we moved. Well, I mean, we moved a good bit, percent and almost 1.4% overnight, and then we gave it all back. And I'm not super eager to trade this. Okay. Yeah, I'm taking nothing right now, so I'll let you guys know if I do, but for now, I am taking nothing. You're the name above all name. For now, I'm gonna try to fix this. Okay, but I do need to get this. Oh, come on, man. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Okay, I need to do this, guys. 1 second. We'll keep an eye on price for now. Again, nothing. Nothing here. This is sort of, if you look at it, this is your quote unquote your flag. Worthy is your name. Hey, hold on, guys, 1 second. Make sure. All right, I'm back. Yeah, we've done nothing. Nothing. Dang, even before 9:30 opens. Well, 9:30 opens and just straight to the upside. Okay. After this, we're gonna go running, guys. Oh, yeah, what? It's 104. We're still at 104. What's gold, that one? Consolidating, yeah. Consolidating in here. This is 6-hour candles, guys. On a higher time frame, right? We're below this. Let's get rid of. We're below this. Actually, we're right here. Right, if we're inside of this. Honestly, this would be. I wouldn't. This wouldn't be a bad short. But maybe we can take this high before going lower. You see, platinum is consolidating to the right. Silver is consolidating to the right. Copper is consolidating to the right. Okay. Welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. This is still not working right. Let's see. I go G's. Mostly I Thank you, Jesus. Jesus. What's that, girl? Hey, leave it. This is not midnight open, guys. Wait, what's this one? That's midnight open. One more day. Ooh, I just wanna. What the heck? Bro, that is not, guys. Ooh, I just really wanna thank you. You need everything, everything. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. See. Uh, what's up, girl? What do you need? Okay. Oh, I just really wanna praise you. 'Cause you mean everything, everything, everything to me. Oh. Yeah, I need these screens, man. My eyes are hurting. Ah, I love that. I love that. I love that. My boys just singing the praises of the Lord. Let's get it, baby. That's what it's all about. Come on. Lias, who can? Give me some, bro. I love you. Ah, God can. God can. All right, please let this be the day that freaking works, man. Where you at? No. Mm-hmm. God can. God can. God can. What the hell is this? Sideway by retest. What is this? MACD. I mean, that honestly, this ain't bad. This ain't. I'd be very curious for this. Let's see. What does this do? FOMC color. What is this, bro? Yeah, I don't think this shows me what I need. Let's get rid of it. Mhm. Yeah, right now Prez is doing nothing, guys. So we'll keep it right there. Trying to give you guys an awesome indicator, okay? It's like, okay, let's see. This one uses no. Okay. Yeah, if you're trading this, man, good luck. But we're literally just holding all of this. We're holding all of this. It's like, do you really want to go long here? I don't think this is a reversal yet. I think we take these highs, right? Or, yeah, we take these highs. There's SMT here. There is SMT. Yeah, this is just off, man. I wouldn't be looking for anything. Equities, what are we doing? Same thing, nothing, guys. We're doing absolutely nothing. So if you're stuck in this, man, good luck. Oh, you know what? Okay, now let's see. Okay, simple bool. Whatever, man. Yeah. Look, I used to have to do this at every open. That sucked. This is better. Should I add the daily opening price? Like right here? What was this? These are all bearish candles? That's crazy. Would this be helpful? That would be helpful, right? A daily opening price? Look at this. Could take this long. I mean, you could have, but still, right? It's like the risk to reward. The risk is so much higher than the reward at this point that, I mean, yes, you can close your risk, right? And target this high right here. Come on, dude. Target that high, right? Close your risk a little bit, and that's fine. That'll work. Let's just say even if you got it here, right? You got right there. It's a 2-to-1. That's perfect. Or even if you target this high right here, that's a 1.68 to 1. That's okay. Right? But then you have all of this opened. Right? So then you're if you're looking at it in terms of structure, this is risk to reward isn't really there. See, I wouldn't even feel comfortable putting my stop right there. It's like, okay, we know these are equal lows. We'll come get them at some point. Is it going to be now? And if you get in, am I going to get stopped out here after sweeping this high? Right? Because remember, we still have SMT. Until that SMT becomes invalid, this is a risk here. At that point, I wouldn't even let it go there. I would just, if it's going to stop me out, it's going to stop me out here. This is where I would do it. Right? Something like this. And then this would be like a 2.5 to 1, or yeah, 2.7 to 1. That would be a great trade. Beautiful trade. But we're not getting in this one. Now we have our initial our sweep. Oh man. Oh wait, this is our high time frame sweep. Boom, high time frame sweep. Initial sweep. Well, there's a huge gap here. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, so then after the sweep, what do we look for? Well, we can look for a change in the state. That change in the state is going to be way, way down here. This would be a CISD if we want to get it. That would be our CISD right there. If we want to get it. PSP right there. Oh, that's a sick indicator, not gonna lie. Yeah, 5-minute PSP. So, I mean, we could get in here, de-risk this. So, if we get in here, right, our risk would only be at this high, targeting these lows if we want to see them, right? 50% of this wick, actually. So we're gonna go about 75%. And I would give this a shot actually. Just to those lows, right? I'm gonna go with 3 cons. Okay. Just down to these lows. What is this? 66? Okay, yeah, 66 right there. So I'm in. I actually got in up here, but my stop is gonna be the same. 5-4. My stop is there, so this is a 6 to, I mean, whatever. I went with 3 cons, 77. Yeah, that's it. Right there. Yeah. So I'm in with 3 contracts at this point. $80 of risk up here, and then 467 down here. We'll see if we get it. We also have, yep. So PSP with an SMT with an SMT. Yeah, this is. It's hard not to get in this one right now. Could I have my risk up here to these highs? Yeah. That opens up for what? 136, which is not bad, right? But my risk right now is right here. I'll give you $5. That's where I'm at right now. Yeah, $80 of risk. I like this. Yeah, what's up? I mean, I'm streaming.
I was busy like just AI and stuff.
Oh gosh.
And I took a photo in front of the house. I was like, okay, what would you do?
Nice.
And then I just kept going with it and went with it until, like I said, I reached my limit
Oh
for
yeah, yeah.
image creating. This is what I created so far,
Okay, let me see.
which is just focusing on the door and the stairs.
I like that.
Yeah,
That's
like I don't
very.
know why it gave me this, but I ran out of limits.
I like that.
That's really cool, right?
That
Like
is
the
very.
black
I do like
stairs.
that. Yo, I'm about to paint them.
I know. I was thinking about that because I was like, it hurts too. Like I don't know if like
I'm gonna ask Todd right now.
and like I saw a can and it's like $30. I'm like, I could totally do that in an afternoon.
I mean, but okay, okay. You have to know. You have to. There's a lot more that goes into it.
Okay, I know. I should probably AI it.
No, you should probably not AI it.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
Ask Todd though for me because I feel like he's sick of me.
Okay.
But yeah, I would love that. And then
So you see how we're displacing now? Give me 1 second.
yeah, no worries. All right.
Yep. It was. Yeah, that's very cool. So now we're displacing down, right? Can we get if we get a closure on this? I'd be willing to add more to this. Let's get rid of that. Boom. I love lovely. 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 See, and we don't have to catch the whole move. That's the thing. We don't have to catch the whole move. If it presents itself, I'll probably do a whole move to the downside, right? But I don't think I need it anymore. I think what I need is just to see this, right? Break, close below. If we can get a closure here, boom, I will add more to get to here, to these lows. All right, if we get a closure at CISD, come back. If we don't get this, I'll be okay if it comes back because I'll add more here and move my stop to break even. We actually closed below this. I wouldn't mind adding 2 more here. At what, 40? Yeah, around 40. Or even here. I really wouldn't mind adding 2 more. I'm gonna 37. I'm gonna set an order at 36.50, which is these highs, I think. 35.50. Right there, there's an there's another order of, let's do this. We're about to get filled here. At that point, I would move this stop right there. $90. Yeah, that's perfect, guys. Might just go ahead and move that stop now. See if we get filled here. And then here, just so you know that I'm not, this is 2 accounts copy trading. And that's what I'm doing. That's all I'm doing, right? And this is honestly the only entry that I found so far. While that happens, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep coding our thing. Yeah, because this was just, I mean, we got this beautiful expansion to the upside, but after that, it was just a whole bunch of nothing. SMT up here, SMT here, PSP, looking for these lows. That's all I'm looking for. Low hanging fruit, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right. I'll keep that on there for you guys. Oh, and if you want to join the Discord, first link in the description down below. It's free, and you'll see there's a bunch of so I'm working on these indicators, and you'll find them on the Discord first, all here. So if you want any of these are private on TradingView, but they're, if you want them, just join the Discord. They're going to be right there. Did we get filled yet? We didn't. Should we be impatient and just get our fill? No, we shouldn't do that. I want to. I just want to go, wow, just drag this down and take my order. Yeah, we'll probably get it. Or not. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go. All right, there it is. True day open. Let's go, baby. Frick, yes. There's our midnight our midnight open, true day open on the on. Let's go. It is working. I like it. Okay, it's not working. Whatever. We don't need it here. Yes. True day, midnight. Let's go. Let's get it. I like this. 12, 12. Yep, that's it. That is it. Oh, you guys want to look at the trade? There it is. And there's the trade. There's the trade, mothers. Okay, one sec. Did we get filled? Yeah, we did. We got filled. I call you savior. I'm not gonna move. I'm actually, I think my stop might be a little too tight here. I'm not gonna lie. Like right here. What do I have it here? 63? I mean, maybe it's 12. Here's lunchtime. This might be too tight. I might just do this. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Yeah, and again, I don't mind opening up myself to this much risk, right? 3.4 to 1. Is that right? Okay, yeah, it is right. Yeah, I do like this. Because then at that point, if we invalidate this, then I know I'm on the wrong side. But I'm not looking for anything other than these lows. I'm not looking for even this fair value gap low or anything. I'm just looking for these lows and then continuation higher. That is all I'm looking for. There things come alive. There things come alive. Boom, let's get it. Victory. Yeah. What's the logic? Okay. We are in a, I think this is a 3 hour. No, 2 hour. It's a 1 hour. Oh, this is beautiful right here. BPR. Boom. That even makes us even better because we were in this hour. We're in this hourly gap, right? SMT inside of the gap. And then on the 15-minute, we have SMT again on these highs, which is a initial sweep, then a second sweep of that high time frame sweep. In it, so this, yeah, I mean, why would I not take this? I think that's how I'm looking at it, right? So yeah, we have SMT here, and then we have SMT here. So why not? Right? And this is inside of BPR right here. Boom. This is an hourly BPR inside of an hourly fair value gap inside of a high time frame, a 3-day fair value gap. So hard not to take this, right? Hard not to take this. Can we invalidate this? Absolutely. If it wants to invalidate it, it will invalidate it and price will continue higher. We had this push higher. I can expect a continuation, right? But if I see something, I'm probably gonna take it. This is also this bar here. Let's see. Yeah. Back to these. Yeah. Dude, this would be sick right here. This one. This would be sick. Original consolidation here. Where's my OC at? There it is. Watch. We're gonna get this crap later. But again, I'm only looking for this. Why is this original consolidation? Well, let's take a look. Because this was our manipulation leg. Right? See, everything's trading down. This gave us our basically our was this PSP? Was it PSP? We can find out. We can find out. Yeah, it was PSP. Here's a PSP here. Right, so that was our sweep manipulation. Origin and consolidation is there. If we want to get this, we can, but this would be what I would expect. I'm watching this unfold as you guys are watching it, so if I get stuffed out, you'll see it, you'll know. But that's all I'm aiming for. This is not a two. This is what is this? This is a three. Oh, oh, right, because we added more. Duh. So this is what 4650, and then 77, 46. Yeah. Okay, that's it. That's a that can't be a 3.4 to 1. No way. Yeah, what the heck? Something's off here. Guys, am I doing is there something I'm looking at that's wrong? What is this? Yeah, that's a 2. I was like, yeah, that's a 2 to 1. Why is this? Okay, I'm looking at what am I doing wrong? I'm looking at something and it's wrong. 40. Oh, duh, 46, not 56. Okay. 46. I was like, what the heck? There we go. Much better. I was like, man, something's off. Let's see. Conversation. Okay, let's try this. Come on, bruh. Come on, dude. What is going on? Dude, what? Okay. What the heck? There it is. There's the trade. Oh. That's cute. Hi, Godis. Mm. Hi, baby. Honestly, it'd be nice if it went down here, but the way that it's moving, I only expect a small pullback. We, uh, we're literally, what are you trying to do? Catch this range right here. That's all. Into this gap. Guys, if we get stuck here, that's gonna suck. Which honestly, expected. But I was I mean, as once we got in, I was expecting some sort of expansion down or something. But you know, we started to get it, and then died again. So I mean, not bad. I'm not mad about this one. This one's actually I like it for what the day is showing. Oof. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's gonna be good. And all the faith in the room. Yeah, my eyes are hurting. I'm about to go outside. Who am I? Honestly, ES has great structure. For the most part, ES and Dow Jones usually have great structure. With all of the faith in the room. Let's go. Save this bad boy. This is nice, yeah. Cool. All right, if you guys want this, you know what to do. Yeah, if you guys want this, just go ahead and you know, you just join the Discord. It's gonna be there. I'm gonna update it right now. Cool. Oh, it shows my. All right, whatever. Okay, that works. She kick you out.
You need to go poopy?
All right, there's our levels right there. Hi, drawings. Yeah, we don't need the drawings. So now, okay, let's work on this for a second. Where are we with this? Oh, okay. It's coming. See, we would have put it there. We would have gotten stopped out. Right here. Would have been done. Yeah, we'll keep it up here. Oh, we're about to get stopped, huh? There we go. Good try, everybody. Good try. We tried. We took a nice L on this one. So maybe we do go for these highs today. Everything gets wrapped in this time frame visibility. Let's see. Yeah, I've got all that. Send, boy. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's it. What else? 278 on this account. 278 on this account. Noise. And then I'm just coding stuff. Yeah, I mean, it's a Monday. Well, I don't know what we can expect at this point. It's a Monday. We'll probably take these highs here. Right here. Oh, that's disgusting. Those highs. But here's okay. We already took that high. So it's like I don't know that we really want to go to this high here. I don't know. I still like the idea. Okay, so we don't have to take we technically don't even have to take this one. Let's look at it. Let's here's the context. That's the context right there. Okay. Close below RCISD. This becomes our range of basically trading on this to keep this valid. The range is there. That's where we want to basically trade on the opposing direction. If this goes above, which it can, we're validated. That's how I'm looking at this, right? Yeah, that's how I'm looking at this. And so even the idea still continues to hold valid. It's just we didn't get this little tiny SMT that I was looking at. Yeah, this SMT is no longer there. The little one, the 15-minute SMT is no longer there. But the play in and of itself on a higher time frame is still there. You see that here, SMT, right? All right, let's see. Nothing else. Oh, I forgot about our CISD tracker. If you want this, it's on the Discord as well. Basically, it tracks all your CISDs. So if we get a close below here, this is a bearish CISD. Boom. If we close, right? This is looking at the last up, so the bullish is the last two up close candles or down close. The bearish is the last two down close candles. So you can see that bullish would happen up here, boom, tap back into it and pushed higher. And this is free. Just join the Discord, that's all. Don't you give up on me. If we close below this, I'd give it a second shot. Just again to these lows, nothing crazy, right? After two attempts, then I'm most likely, and if I get stopped out, and I am most likely on the wrong side. I will not me. For me, don't give up on me. Okay, what did this do? I don't need presets for this time frame, guys. Come on. I'm gonna get some water. Be back. Ah. All right. Got my water. Did we close yet? Frick no. Okay. Okay, let's see. Input time frame. Oh God, my God, I need you. Oh God, my God, I need you now. How I need you now. I'm standing on your faithfulness, on your faithfulness. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, YM, what are you doing? Let's get rid of this. Yeah, no, get rid of, yeah, no. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, we can get rid of these. Multi-cycle, what is this? All right, we'll keep those. Get rid of that. High, low, custom time frame. Get rid of that. Oh yeah, get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of. That's it. Get rid of. Let's get rid of everything here. We don't want to close below that one, huh? Like, nah, man, if we close below this, we're gonna go. If we close below this thing, we're just leaving, and we don't wanna. We want to stay right here. We want to stay right here. We don't want to close below. But there's no reason to stay up there. Oh! What is this? Come and heal me. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Sick. Do we get any errors on this one? Max time frame. Mm. 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 Daily, one day. Okay, yeah, this is what we want. So 1 hour, we can see them. Okay. Let's enable the monthly. Can we see it on the week? Oh wait, maybe we see it on the day. Uh, max time frame, the daily. It is not trust. Monthly cycle, time frame. Yeah, this is boring. 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 Ugh. All right, how out of here? Peace out, team. Catch you on the next one.